Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about mind-body exercise, what it is and how it can benefit you. Mind-body exercises combine physical movement with mental focus, breathing, and relaxation techniques to improve the connection between the mind and the body. Mind-body exercises have been around for thousands of years, but recently, they have gained popularity as a form of exercise that promotes overall wellness. What is mind-body exercise? Mind-body exercises are exercises that combine physical movement with breathing and mental focus. These exercises are designed to enhance the mind-body connection and promote physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Examples of mind-body exercises include yoga, tai chi, qigong, and Pilates. Benefits of mind-body exercise: reduces stress and anxiety. Mind-body exercises help to lower cortisol levels, which are the stress hormones in the body. When cortisol levels are high, it can lead to anxiety and depression. Mind-body exercises promote relaxation and reduce stress levels, which in turn can help to alleviate anxiety and depression. Improves flexibility and balance. Mind-body exercises, such as yoga and Pilates, help to improve flexibility, balance, and posture. These exercises help to stretch and strengthen muscles, which can help to prevent injuries and reduce pain. Boosts immune system. Mind-body exercises can help to boost the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and reducing inflammation in the body. Regular practice of mind-body exercises can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Enhances cognitive function. Mind-body exercises help to improve cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting the production of new brain cells. Regular practice of mind-body exercises can help to improve memory, concentration, and overall brain function. Promotes overall wellness. Mind-body exercises promote overall wellness by reducing stress, improving physical and mental health, and enhancing the mind-body connection. These exercises can help to improve your quality of life and promote a sense of well-being. In conclusion, mind-body exercises are an effective way to improve physical, mental, and emotional well-being. These exercises can help to reduce stress, improve flexibility and balance, boost the immune system, enhance cognitive function, and promote overall wellness. If you're looking for a form of exercise that promotes overall well-being, then mind-body exercises are definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.